In this video, I will show you Speechify versus Murf. Here's a detailed comparison of Speechify versus Murf, covering features, pros and cons, pricing, and a final verdict on which is better depending on use case. But first, what is Speechify? So Speechify is an AI-powered text-to-speech design tool to convert written text like PDFs, web or web pages, books, and emails into natural sounding speech. It helps users listen to content instead of reading, making it ideal for students, busy professionals with reading difficulties. Now, what is Murf? Murf is an AI voice-over and speech synthesis platform that enables users to create studio quality voiceovers for videos, presentations, podcasts, and advertisements. It offers features like voice cloning, background music, multi-track editing, and realistic AI voices. So now let's move on to features comparison. Speechify, we have here and Murf. For text-to-speech, yes, they can both do it. Voice cloning, no planned, but yes with Pro plan. Studio level voiceovers. For Speechify, limited. For Murf, yes, multi-track studio editor. For video slide, Specify no. For Murf, yes. Background music, no, yes. Voice customization, basic speed, pitch. This one has advanced controls. Multilingual voices has 30 plus languages, but for Murf has 20 plus languages. Chrome extension, yes. Murf, no. AI voice quality, natural but limited accents. Ultra realistic studio quality. Integration, web, iOS, Android, Chrome. For Murf, web, PowerPoint, video editors. Use case focus, reading and productivity, while the Murf, content creation and presentations. That's all for features. Speechify versus Murf. Now let's move on to pros and cons. For Speechify, for pros, fast, responsive, and easy to use Chrome extension for reading web pages, great for speed reading and productivity, natural sounding AI voice. However, for cons, it has limited for video or audio production, no studio level control or voice cloning. Talking about Murf, so pros, studio quality, AI voices, yes. Background music and noise removal. It has multiverse support for team projects and it has voice cloning for Pro and Enterprise. So you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to have that. Also, the cons of this Murf AI. This including not ideal for general reading, no Chrome extension for mobile app, and it requires some learning curve. Okay, so talking about the pricing for Speechify. For pricing, you can enjoy a free version with limited features, of course. But if you want to unlock the features of Speechify, you need to purchase the full version and it costs $139 annually. But of course, you can have access to features like natural sounding voices in English and over 60 plus different languages. Allows users to choose from multiple file formats such as web pages and others. Compatible with iOS, yes, Android, and Microsoft Windows. So talking about Murf pricing, so they have this creator, so you can start with this one where you can see that you can unlock these features below like 5 projects, 24 hours, one editor, all 200 plus voices, multi-native voices, unlimited downloads, Canva integration, commercial rights, $66 per month, which is you can have everything in Creator Plus. $199 per month with these projects right here. and advanced voice features. Lastly, for enterprise, you can contact sales for more information. So, as you can see, they have different features, but let's see what is the final verdict. So as a final verdict, let's see the main purpose and which is this best for. We have here Speechify and Murf. And as you can see for the main purpose, it's more on listening to written content, while the Murf is creating high quality AI voiceovers. This one is best for, Speechify is best for students, professionals, people with this kind of challenges. But for Murph, this one is best for content creators, marketers, educators, video producers. What are the key strengths? Speechify is fast, has this natural reading of articles, can produce and PDFs books, while the Murph, it's more on studio grade voice editing and voice cloning, which is not available in Speechify. Voice quality, natural, good for reading. While this one is like ultra realistic and professional grade, you can choose a lot, or there are tons of things that you can choose from, or voices that you can choose from. Customization, speed and pitch adjustment. This one has full control, pitch, emphasis, timing, music, and multi-voice, which is of course better. Device compatibility, it's good for web, iOS, Android, Chrome extension. This one is web-based, which means desktop preferred. Ease of use, very friendly, or very beginner friendly, let's just say, has a user-friendly interface, while Murph is moderate or has moderate learning curve, more advanced features compared to this Speechify. Accessibility tools, excellent, ideal for reading challenges. This one is not focused on accessibility. And for Voice Studio, not available. I'm so sorry for that. And this one is full studio with background music syncing. Voice cloning, again, not available. For Murph, it's available for Pro and Enterprise plans. Pricing, 139 or 29 per month. This one is 19 per month. And this one is for Pro, 39 per month. Free plan, limited voices and speed. Limited voice generation minutes for free plan. And overall verdict, we have here voice for consuming audio content. This one is best for producing audio content. Now that you know, in order for you to start, you can just tap on try for free for Speechify. You just have to go to their website and tap on try for free. Then you have to answer this following. Just tap on continue, follow everything here. As you can see, there are tons of voices here.
Welcome to Speechify can read.
Then you can create an account using Google account, Apple, continue with Facebook, and so on. But as you can see, I need to start for free and it needs my payment method. But of course, they will not charge me for the first 7 days. But you can't proceed without going through their payment method. Let's move on to Murph. So sign up with Google. And as you can see, I can have access to their dashboard without adding any payment method. So that's the difference between two when it comes to logging in. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.